In today I am talking about something different things about Alibaba Group holding. This stock trade at this moment 126. Okay, so here you can think how much return these stocks make. Here you can see in the last 5 days these stocks lose money. In the last 1 month these stocks gain 14%. In the last 6 months these stocks lose 21%. In the 1 years these stocks lose money. 1 years these stocks gain money. But if you see last 5 years these stocks lose 31%. Okay, and if you see these stocks make how much return, here you can see how much return these stocks gain. Okay, here you can see. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.